Sup fellow water drinkers, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean the PS3. Now you might notice that my console's plugged in, and that's because there's actually a little trick we can perform here to help us clean the console. Simply hold down the eject button, unplug the console with the eject button still held, and then plug the console back in. I wasn't sure how I was going to do this holding my phone in one hand, but after activating a couple of neurons I realized that I could use my foot to hold down the eject button. Now watch what happens. Did you see that? That's right, it was a fan test. This cranks the fans up to 100% so dust will come flying out of the console. Now that the PS3 has hit its funny bone, we can continue with cleaning the rest of the console. That's right, we've got a new cleaning tool here. It's a hand towel. Since the surface of the console is matte black, we were really gonna need this one. Feel free to dampen it, but if you do, obviously don't swing it around the ports in the back. Now we can bring tradition back. That's right, it's the feather duster. At this point, you should know what to do with this beauty. Dust nicely around the ports, the back, and the bottom. That's not all. Our next reoccurring star is the compressed air. Similar to the feather duster, spray around the front ports, the back, and the bottom. And now you've got yourself a squeaky clean PS3. That's really about it. See ya.